Hi guys, so today let's have a look at Gone Mad Choco Pillows. Mini chocos, more madness. So let's have a look at this Gone Mad Choco Pillows. It cost ₹10. This was produced in June 2019. You can have a look at the ingredients list, and it's veg. Smells delicious. Initial impressions. This reminds me of bites, which used to have during our childhood days. Okay, let me pour this into a bowl. This is how it looks close up. This kind of reminds me of Bites by Cadbury's. Center filled with choco wafers. On the pack it says that it weighs 26 grams. Here I have a weighing scale. The plate itself weighs 60 grams, so let me calibrate it. Wow, it actually weighs 26 grams. If you want to send your kids, or if you want to take some snacks or sneak some snacks into the office, you can easily do this. You can put it in a small container and just wrap it in your lunchbox saying it's fruits. It shows 27 grams. Yeah, I will do calibration. Okay. Let me see if I can fit all these small bites or choco pillows inside the small box. Sorry. Well, you can actually fit this in. And carry it without breaking much. Let me have a bite. Let me dissect this one for you and show what actually is inside. I mean, how it actually looks from the inside. Let me grab my X-Acto knife. First, I'm going to cut it vertically, then horizontally. You can see the chocolate melt. It shows it's a bit frozen or dried up. I'll have another experiment running for that in another video. Okay. Let me dissect another one in horizontal mode. Not exactly, but still you can find some chocolate and some chocolate wafers inside this. There you have it. Choco Pillows, or I can just say that this is so much of Cadbury's bites. Well, I'm not paid for this. I buy this on my own and actually review food. I cook food too. Check out my channel for some more interesting one.